ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్
and P. So this is the point, that is inverse point. Or Q is the, Q means inverse point of P. Q is the foot of perpendicular from P or C, where C is center, from P or C to the polar of the point P with respect to the circle S equal to 0. Q, that means what? Find the equation of polar of the point P with respect to circle S equal to 0. This is S equal to 0. After that, find the foot of perpendicular from P or C to this polar. Then also you will get the point Q, which is inverse point. Based on this, write one example problem. Find the inverse point of minus 2 comma 3 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. Inverse point. Center of circle is minus z comma minus f, that is 2 comma 3. Inverse point of this center is 2 comma 3. Suppose the point is here, but I am not sure whether the point lies inside or outside. Just I am assuming the point is. So the point means what? Depends on the S11, position of the point. If S11 is greater than 0, the point lies outside the circle. S11 is equal to 0 on the circle. S11 less than 0, point lies inside the circle. But whatever it is, just I am assuming the point is here. Maybe, suppose if S11 greater than 0, it lies outside. But doesn't matter. Just for example, I am taking. The point is P. Now this is the polar. This is the polar of the point P. Now the point is minus 2 comma 3. Now equation of polar of the point P minus 2 comma 3 is S1 is equal to 0. S1 equal to 0. Where S1 is x1 plus y1 plus g, where g is minus 2. Minus 2. X plus x1 plus f is minus 3 to y plus 3 plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is minus 2x plus 3y minus 2x plus 4 minus 3y minus 9 plus 9 equal to 0. There this is 3y gets cancelled, 9 and cancel. Minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 1. X equal to 1. X equal to 1. And then find the equation of line joining the points. Joining the point C and P, where P is minus 2 comma 3. So polar equation is x minus 1 equal to 0, which is equal to x equal to 1. And equation of the line joining the 2 points. Now slope of CP. Slope of CP is y2 minus y1, 3 minus 3 by minus 2 minus 2. That is 0. Therefore, equation of CP is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to 3. Therefore, the inverse point Q is 1 comma 3. Inverse point is 1 comma 3. You do one problem. Find the inverse point of 1 comma 2 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. Next point, if PA and PB are tangents drawn from the point P, x1 comma y1 to the circle s equal to 0 with the center C, then the area of quadrilateral PACB is R into root S11. R into root S11. The point is P. A, center C. This is B. This is radius R. This is root S11. Here angle is 90 degrees because this is tangent and this is normal. Now, area of quadrilateral PACB is equal to 2 times of area of triangle PAC. That is 2 times of area of triangle, half into base into height. So 2 to cancel, that is base into height. That is where base is, this is base. And this is height. Therefore, that is R into root S11. R into root S11. Next one, some problems based on objective model. The equation of the image of the circle, equation of the image of the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0 by the line mirror x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. X plus y minus 1 equal to 0. So suppose this is the circle equation. So this is the line x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Image of the circle with respect to this line. That means what? I find the equation of the circle. What is center of circle? Minus e comma minus f, 3 comma 2. Radius equal to root of g square plus f square minus c, that equal to 1. So the radius of circle is 1. The radius of image circle is also equal to 1. Now we have to find the center. How to find center? This is the given circle 3 comma 2. So find the image. Find image of the point 3 comma 2 with respect to the line. That is the center of required circle. Here radius is 1. There also radius is also equal to 1. Now center of required circle. Center of required circle is equal to image of the point 3 comma 2 with respect to the line x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Let this is h comma k and t to this point is x1 comma y1. Image formula h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. A square plus b square. H minus x1 is 3 by a is a b c. A is 1, b is 1, c is minus 1 is equal to k minus 2 by 1 minus 2 of ax1 3 plus 2 minus 1 by a square plus b square. There 2 gets cancelled. That is h minus 3 is equal to k minus 2 is equal to, so this is 5 minus 1, that is 4 minus 4 h minus 3 equal to minus 4, h equal to minus 1, k minus 2 equal to minus 4 implies k is equal to minus 2. Therefore center is minus 1 comma minus 2. Center of the required circle minus 1 comma minus 2, and radius is same as the circle radius. So center radius. So equation of circle x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. The equation of circle with the center a comma b, radius r, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. So by expanding x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. That is the circle equation. Next one. A circle of constant radius. A circle of constant radius 3K. Constant radius 3K passes through origin. Passes through origin, cuts the coordinate axis, at A and B, Then the locus of centroid, of triangle OAB is. Locus of centroid of triangle OAB is. Options. A circle of constant radius 3K passes through origin, cuts the coordinate axis at the points A and B. Then the locus of centroid of triangle OAB is. The circle passes through origin, cuts the coordinate axis, the point is, let it be A, 0, and the point is B, 0, B. Here angle is 90 degrees. So this is the triangle. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Then the locus of centroid of triangle. So this is radius. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Therefore, angle is 90 degrees. Implies AB is the diameter of circle. Therefore, center of circle is midpoint of AB. Center equal to midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB is A by 2, B by A by 2, B by 2. So this is radius. Radius equal to what? OC. Radius is OC. That is OC is equal to radius, which is equal to given 3K. OC means distance between the points x1, y1, x2, y2. That is A square by 4 plus B square by 4 is equal to 3K. Squaring A square plus B square by 4 is equal to 9K square. So A square plus B square is equal to 36K square. 36K square. Let x1, y1 be the centroid of triangle OAB. x1, y1 be the centroid of triangle OAB. Therefore, x1, y1 is equal to centroid of triangle x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. That is A by 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That is B by 3. Therefore, A is equal to 3x1, B is equal to 3y1. Now from this here, from 1. What is 1 is A square. A square plus B square equal to 36K square. Where A square is 3x1 whole square. That is 9x1 square plus 9y1 square is equal to 36K square. 9 common. This is x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 4k square. Therefore, the locus is x square plus y square is equal to 4k square. So, which is first option correct. Next problem. A rod PQ of length 2a, a rod PQ of length 2a slides with its ends on the coordinate axis. Slides with its ends on the coordinate axis. A rod PQ of length 2a slides with its ends on the coordinate axis. Then the locus of circumcenter of triangle OPQ is. The locus of circumcenter of triangle OPQ is x square plus y square equal to 4a square, x square plus y square equal to a square, x square plus y square equal to a square by 2 and 8a square. These are options. A rod PQ of length 2a slides with its ends on the axis. This point is P, this point is Q. Then the locus of circumcenter of triangle OPQ. Circumcenter of triangle OPQ. Let the coordinates are, this is some P comma 0, 0 comma Q, 0 comma Q. See here, let x1 comma y1 be the circumcenter. Here, since the triangle is right angle triangle, circumcenter equal to midpoint of hypotenuse. Circumcenter is equal to midpoint of hypotenuse. Midpoint of PQ. Midpoint of PQ is what? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, which is P by 2, comma Q by 2. That is x1 comma y1. Therefore, P is equal to 2x1 and Q is equal to 2y1. And PQ of a length is given. PQ is of length PQ. PQ is equal to 2a, that is given. PQ means what? Distance between these 2 points, that is root of P square plus Q square is equal to 2a. Squaring P square plus Q square equal to 4a square, where P is 2x1. So this is 2x1 whole square plus 2y1 whole square is equal to 4a square. That is 4x1 square plus 4y1 square is equal to 4a square. Therefore, locus is x square plus y square is equal to. Read the next question. The locus of point of intersection of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 1 equal to 0. Sorry, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 1, not plus 1, minus 1. The locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents to the circle is what? Is nothing but director circle. Already we discussed about the director circle. Please, once you go through the notes, it is clear. Director circle. Locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents to the circle is what? X plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square is equal to 2r square. If the circle x square plus y square equal to r square, so director circle is x square plus y square equal to 2r square. So if the center of circle is minus g comma minus f, center of circle is here 2 comma 3. Therefore, that is director circle is, so g value minus 2, f value, so that is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus, where f is minus 3, so g is minus 2, f is minus 3, y minus 3 whole square is equal to 2 into r square is g square is 4 plus 9 minus of minus plus 1. So x square, this is minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 28. Therefore, that is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 13 minus 28, that is minus 15 is equal to 0. Next problem. The locus of point of intersection of tangents, locus of point of intersection of tangents to the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 1 is equal to 0. That is equation is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0, which include an angle 60 degrees. Which include an angle 60 degrees is. Include an angle 60 degrees is. But the locus is what? S equal to r square cot square theta by 2. In the previous class, we discussed the details of this one. See here, once again, I repeat. So, this is the circle S equal to 0. So, the point is P. This makes an angle theta. Makes an angle theta. And this is theta by 2. Theta by 2. From this triangle here, angle is tan theta by 2 equal to r by root S11. Therefore, root S11 is equal to r into cot theta by 2. Squaring on both sides. S11 equal to r square cot square theta by 2. Therefore, the locus is S equal to r square cot square theta by 2. Therefore, the locus is r square cot square theta by 2. Here theta is equal to 60 degrees and r equal to root of g square plus f square plus minus c, that is equal to root 6. Root 6. Therefore, locus is S is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 1 is equal to r square 6 into cot square. It is cot square, this is 30 degrees. That is 6 into, so this is root 3 whole square. That is 18. Therefore, locus is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 19 equal to 0. This is the locus, which is very simple by using this. S equal to r square cot square theta by 2. There theta is 60 degrees. Next problem. If a chord of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 8 makes equal intercepts of length A on the coordinate axis. Makes equal intercepts of length A on the coordinate axis. Then mod A is less than 4 2 root 2 8. Mod A is less than. A chord of the circle x square plus y square equal to 8 makes equal intercepts of length A on the coordinate axis. Here center of circle 0, 0. So this is the chord of length. makes equal intercepts of length A. So this is A comma 0, this is 0 comma 0 comma A. So equation of, let's call it, this is AB. Equation of chord AB. Equation of chord AB is x by A plus y by A equal to 1. X plus y minus A equal to 0. X plus A, x plus y minus A equal to 0. I think you know the condition. Condition for tangent is, here it is r equal to d. And this is the condition is, here center C, this is radius and this is d, is d. Therefore here the condition is, this is r and this is d. So the line cuts the circle in two distinct points, means the condition is d less than r. D less than r. For this center of circle is 0 comma 0 and radius equal to 2 root 2. And this is distance 0 comma 0, where d is d equal to perpendicular distance from center 0 comma 0 to the line x plus y minus a equal to 0. That is d equal to mod c by root of a square plus b square. That is d equal to mod of c, that is a by root of 2. Since the line is a chord means what? Here the line cuts a circle in two distinct points. Then the condition is d less than r. D is less than r, where d is mod of a by root 2. E is less than, r is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. So it implies mod a is less than 4. Mod a less than 4. So first option is correct.